Imagine owning a jet you can fly yourself, one that's safe, sleek, and designed for personal travel. Meet the Cirrus Vision Jet, the world's first single-engine personal jet and a game-changer in private aviation. This is Gadgets and Widgets, where we explore the future of science, technology, and aviation.
The story of Cirrus Aircraft is really one of historic innovation and constant evolution. Cirrus has become synonymous with safety, and our engineers, our world-class engineers, have really outdone themselves this time. They've created a product that we believe is going to change personal aviation forever.
The Vision Jet, officially called the Cirrus SF-50, is a very light jet designed by Cirrus Aircraft. Unlike traditional business jets, it's single-engine, compact, and designed for personal ownership. Since deliveries began in 2016, over 600 aircraft have been built, making it one of the most successful jets in its class. So, what can it do? The Vision Jet cruises at around 311 knots, climbs to 31,000 feet, and has a range of roughly 1,200 nautical miles. Takeoff needs just over 2,000 feet of runway, making it practical for smaller airports. Inside, it comfortably seats up to 7 passengers in a spacious luxury cabin. One of the Vision Jet's biggest breakthroughs is safety. It comes with the Cirrus Airframe parachute system, a full aircraft parachute that can bring the entire plane safely to the ground. Newer versions also feature safe return Autoland.
Emergency Autoland activating.
In an emergency, with one button press, the jet can land itself, completely hands-free. Over time, Cirrus has refined the jet. The G2 Vision Jet improved altitude, speed, and avionics. The G2 Plus added Wi-Fi connectivity, more range, and efficiency upgrades. Each version brings new features that make this aircraft even more versatile. The Vision Jet isn't just an aircraft, it's changing aviation. It bridges the gap between high-performance propeller planes and large business jets. For entrepreneurs, families, and pilots who want more than a prop but less than a Gulfstream, the Vision Jet is the perfect step forward. And with safety and accessibility at its core, it might just be shaping the future of personal flight. The Cirrus Vision Jet is redefining what it means to fly. Compact, safe, and futuristic. Would you fly one if you had the chance? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into science, tech, and aviation.